Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order a RedotPay physical card step by step. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up. And this way you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Now over here, simply launch your RedotPay application. Now tap on the option of cards. Over here, tap on the option of this plus icon on the top right hand corner, then select the option of physical card. Now over here you are going to see that the physical card has no annual fees or any kind of hidden cost, and the global ATM access is also there. Now in order to apply for this card, the cost is 100 USD. So if you are okay with this, you just have to tap on the option of apply for the card. Now over here in the billing address, you need to simply enter your shipping address where the card is going to be shipped. Then simply select the promo code option, and you can use the promo code that is given in the description in order to save 20% on the physical card purchase. So by default it is of $100, but you are going to get it for only $80. So when you use the promo code, simply tap on the option of pay. Now as soon as you tap on the option of pay, you just have to simply just make the payment and wait for at least 7 to 10 business days until you basically get it on your doorstep. Now you need to keep in mind that this issuance fees is non-refundable, so after making the payment for the card, if you have changed your mind, you won't be able to get any refund for this. So that's how you can basically apply for the physical card. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.